radio. Here comes the danger up in this club. When we get started, then we ain't gonna stop. We gon' turn it out till it gets too hot.
No, I don't want to be in
Alright. I'm gonna show the flood zone back here. This is what's left of the flood. It was all the way almost back up to the back porch last night. But this is the second ditch that we have in our backyard, and it's pretty much overfull. The first one is definitely overfull. That's why it flooded over to this one. The trailer was underwater, so it got major waterlogged. The floorboard's completely gone on that thing. All of the cement that we were carrying is flooded now. It was basically all the way up to right where you see this stuff. This was the shallow end of the water. And our neighbor's backyard was completely flooded with all of this. And his tree, actually, some of it came down. So this is what's left. Some of these bigger branches hit the top of the roof, and that's why we had to camp out in the living room last night. This was the one that actually hit my roof. Gigantic ass one. Here, Mom. I can get Mom. I can show the demonstration of how large it is. So right now it just looks like a tree branch on the screen. Let's see if I can lift this thing. Yeah, it's like about like 10 feet. Something like that. Yep. That's how big it is. Oh, wind! It's definitely a problem today. Wind is definitely the problem today. Alright, you wanna come with? This tree branch was out in the middle of the road last night. But we couldn't move it because the road was completely flooded. Because the culverts were plugged from leaves.
Woo! It's raining.
And this branch, yeah, it's misting now a little bit.
More than
This
misting.
branch actually came from that one, I do believe, right? Fence
Yeah.
is down over there too.
Yeah, that came from that tree.
Yep.
And fences are down.
Fences are down. That tree's nearly broken all over. Fortunately for us, our house is fine.
Yes, we were lucky.
I'm moving this tree over. Be gone, evil thing. Alright.
Throwing a cast net, really?
Hey, you don't know what you go catch in these ever.
True.
May catch something you don't fucking want and can't turn loose.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Wow, pasture is like totally flooded here, and this is totally flooded. Theirs is totally flooded.
Whoa.
Tree over.
Whoa,
Tree
look,
over.
look. Yeah,
No, it ain't completely over.
look.
Not completely.
The water is like around the whole entire
Yeah.
home.
Yeah, that
a
guy
moat.
got lucky.
Moat. That's what it's called, a moat.
He's got a moat around it
And
now.
also some metal shinging,
Metal
roof is
roofing
flooded.
shingles.
Low line. Low. There. Oh.
Watch down the street.
Down the
As I
street.
go by,
Okay.
Look at the tree snapped.
as I go by, they'll watch down the street. I guarantee it ain't moved.
Nope. Yeah.
Tree down.
Oh,
We come that way, and
damn.
that was as far as we could get.
Had to turn
Wow.
back out.
Whoa.
Wow.
You just look at the trees though snapped.
Yeah.
That wind just
Yeah.
snapped a whole bunch of healthy trees too.
Yeah.
Just snapped
Oh,
them
yeah.
with the wind. Whoa.
I can't even tell you how many trees we've seen down.
Damn.
Yeah.
Ooh, Dad took that fence
Fence.
out. Tree down. Holy crud. Right on the house too.
We've seen a few of them.
Damn.
Tree branches down.
We'll see how they fare it out down here.
They usually keep their branches and stuff
Trimmed in
Yeah.
here.
You're just gonna see small. It flooded right
Look
here.
at how it flooded.
Yeah, it flooded here.
Yeah.
Yeah, it flooded here.
Yeah, it's low lying here.
That means these culverts.
Holy
Flood.
crap.
Yeah.
Wow.
Look at all the debris though. People are already trying to clean up this stuff.
Yeah.
Wow.
That was what's her name?
Yes, Mrs. Toller.
Mrs. Toller.
Wow. I'll say one thing. The storm thinned out a lot of trees. Whether they were rotten trees or healthy trees, it thinned them out.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Tree down.
Yep, tree down. Oh, tree down on power line.
Oh, crud.
Yep.
Yep.
They're gonna be without power for a while.
Oh yeah.
This is off the beaten path. They're not going to worry about coming back in here.
That's
No.
an individual power line too.
Yeah.
Their
There's
lights
a
on. I'm like,
major.
they know they got their lights on. Hey,
They might have a generator.
Do what?
did you want to back up and tell them that their lights on their truck are on?
No, they'll go out.
You think so?
Eventually.
Now, why did you want to come down through here?
Across the sidewalk.
Across the
Lit all them up through there.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, nobody
What
can
if
go
they're wide open
walking.
with the lake.
Yeah, they're wide open with the lake.
Oh, that tree down
That's fuel pumps. Yeah, we see
near
that.
the one over there.
Their walkway is
No, I'm not talking about the walkway right there. There was one by the
ooh, there's more down that way, John.
That's two of yours right here.
freaking thing.
Yeah, look at here.
Oh,
wow.
shit.
He lost his gazebo thing.
Yeah, his gazebo's completely
That's Bex.
gone.
That's Bex.
Yeah, it's
That's Bex.
He's got trees too.
Oh,
Yeah.
he's got debris in his pulled in.
Oh,
Oh,
yeah.
it's gonna be heavy in there.
Oh, he's got a
I'll
lot
be
of
in,
tree debris.
going across the road here too.
They ain't got no
Oh,
trees really.
shit.
They
They got-
got neighbors. I mean, they're gonna have leaves and shit.
They got neighbors, but they got like huge cement walls, so those trees gonna have to leap for that shit.
Magnolia.
No, Mom, I was talking about the tree that was down by the
Sirens.
water. That shit was in the water.
Yeah.
It was huge.
Thought you could go all the way
We
around
just
the
we
lake.
just lost all power again on the phones.
Oh, this area is always bad.
Oh yeah, this area is bad.
I mean, it's bad, but you still get some kind of bars once in a while, but ain't got none.
You can barely make phone calls out through here.
Yeah.
I can't do shit on Fridays.
Yeah, I thought we were going around all the Lake Hollins
I'm
weekend.
gonna.
Oh, you're gonna make like a
Yeah,
U-turn in
get
the
up
subdivision
here
area?
where the road's wide enough.
It doesn't have enough debris in it.
Oh, crap. Ah, debris. Large debris.
Yep, definitely large debris there.
Damn.
Large like a
Look at that
motherfucker.
tight spruce
They
leaf.
got goddamn dumpster
Damn.
Yeah, they put a tarp and roped it and strapped it.
there. Yeah. Guess they didn't want to fill it up with water.
Nope.
Or the shit that's in it flying out.
True that
Could
too.
be too.
Tree down.
Tree down.
True
Yeah.
down.
One of my friends up in Lake County said that they had a tornado come through and it sucked all the water out of his pool.
Oh my god.
Oh yeah.
Took the roof off the house.
Yeah,
back
there was
door.
a couple of tornadoes that landed.
I was up in Lake County.
Oh my god, that means this pool's gonna pop out of the
It's
ground.
got a chance.
If you don't put water in it. Oh, tree uprooted.
Yeah. Across their driveway. They're already loading up to the road.
Yep.
Man, they're gonna be really busy.
Oh yeah.
I bet they're gonna have trucks running all week long, separate trucks to pick up this yard trash
Oh yeah.
and this debris trash.
It ain't gonna be able to.
It ain't gonna happen quick.
Right.
No, it ain't.
You know, they
It's
got
gonna
so
take a
much they
long
can do.
time.
So much they can do.
Yeah.
And the damn
Uprooted.
dumps can handle so much.
Uprooted, definitely.
She'd
Whoa.
have been in there and trimmed that off the damn road, I think.
Holy shit.
Yeah.
Yeah, they cut that off so you can drive through.
Yeah.
There, that's the one that I was talking about, Ma, right there.
They were
That
all,
big,
they
huge
were all doing
motherfucker.
that last night.
There goes Beck, his new truck.
Yeah, it's the Jeep.
I bet he's pissed. Damn.
Actually, he's probably pretty happy that the
Look at
Jeep
all
was the
them.
only thing.
Yeah, you still got a house.
Wow.
Yeah, he does still have a house.
Still
So.
has his house, a roof. Wow.
Oh,
Oh.
we ain't
whoa.
getting past.
Yeah, they're
There's a
letting.
one lane. There's
It's a one
multiples.
lane.
Multiples over right there.
Yeah.
Yep.
Holy shit.
These people ain't gonna take turns going around. All of them gonna bunch up at one
They're
time.
all gonna bunch at one time, yeah.
Ain't gonna let nobody else come through.
No.
There comes the big truck now.
Yes, that was my fault. I didn't mean it like
Oh,
that.
the tree's still down.
I didn't mean it like that. Alright. I know it's gonna take a while.
What about wieners over here?
Ugh.
I don't want to look for that.
Screen to be gone. Screen
Yep.
is
Oh, screen is shredded.
There's a tree inside.
There's a tree inside of there.
There's a tree limb inside.
Went through it.
that
It went
tree
right
is
through the
down.
string. Yeah.
Holy crap.
Yep.
They renting that too, aren't they?
Yeah.
Yep.
We believe so.
Who?
No.
At
That guy.
Wieners.
Winner.
Yeah, I don't think she's there.
I
think
think
No.
I'm saying is they probably
They
not
probably
gonna fix it either.
evacuated.
If it's a rented one.
No.
Not unless
They
the
probably
ones-
Not unless the buyer
The ones
wants
that are there
to.
took all the patio furniture and threw it in the pool.
unless the renters bitch and moan.
They can't. They don't make no difference. They just take the whole damn screen down.
Holy shit.
Look at these trees that are down.
Debris tree in the road.
Holy shit. Where's
These-
Giant ass. Motherfucking tree.
That one's on the house.
Shit, yeah.
Damn.
Damn.
That big old joke
Damn.
split.
Damn.
Should've known it's
That thing was rotted and
open,
shit.
the open, with
Open water.
The, yeah,
That's
with
open water.
Yeah.
It's where the most it's gonna hurt. This is why you don't want waterfront property in Florida.
I'm surprised that tree went this way. That come over from winds out of the south.
Yeah, it's been down a while. Early on.
There's some down or broke.
Yeah, those just look broke. They ain't down.
Got these over here are snapped.
They're snapped.
They
They're
can
not
snap
broke
too,
down.
That one's fell over.
Yeah, that one. Oh, that one's actually in the water.
Another one uprooted.
Damn. Holy crap.
Yeah, Miss Palagas that we did.
Yeah.
Like I was like, the only debris we got in our yard is.
Oh crap! Somebody's fucking shed is in that shit. You guys saw that?
Yeah.
There's a shed in the water.
Almost forgot this. Oh wow.
I'm surprised that this didn't get taken out.
And the boats and the pontoons.
Well, I'm surprised that the deck
Water
didn't come
looks like
undone and
shit
stuff.
down here, though.
Oh yeah.
It's all churned up.
What do you expect, man? To be some fresh Caribbean water?
Oh my.
Yeah, man. Wow. There is a lot of stuff.
Fuck,
going on.
Mark Rockland.
Oh damn.
Fuck. Red
Oh.
Wilhelm. It's green.
Oh. Let's just assume that it'll be terrible for our job no matter what.
I wonder if his damn screen got taken out.
That's what I just said.
That's what
I
you
don't
said.
know.
But he had some damn big ass trees
They
around
just
here.
took one big one down at his place.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Doesn't really look that bad on this side of Lake Hollingsworth.
Oh, look at the waves.
Oh yeah, it's choppy as fuck out there.
Got white caps. Holy crap. Whoa.
Look at all that debris. Dang. I'm just curious to see what the Lakeland Public Library looks like, because they have a lot of fucking huge trees.
Almost no freaking power anywhere as you go.
Not down here. There ain't no power.
Damn, all my open pools. Shit. Crap.
Oh yeah, the open ones are probably gonna be the worst. Well, not really, because if the screen's broken down, it's shitty no matter
Holy
what.
shit, the fountains.
Oh god.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The mountain, the pond. Oh, crap.
Those have got grandfather oaks all around.
Yeah.
And that one lady don't like trimming.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh god, that one.
There may not be no fountain no more.
Yeah. Sorry, we're gonna have to excuse pool service from now on.
Oh,
We have
holy
no
shit.
more fountain.
Wow. Wind down. Big wind down. Holy shit, big wind down.
Yep, huge ass limb.
Where are we going?
Rocklands.
You know you can't go through this thing. There's gonna be
Why
a whole-
can't you?
There's gonna be a whole bunch of probably debris in the road.
It's a one-lane road. They'll keep it open. They gotta get in and out for emergency. I guarantee you, it may not be cleared all the way, but it'll be cleared 90% of the way.
Enough.
I bet you. Look at the water in the dim.
Yeah.
That's it,
There's your
clear.
pond
Damn.
right there.
Jeez.
Go splashing in that.
Ouch.
Yeah.
Shit.
Damn.
That took a roof out.
Damn.
That
That's
probably
the
did-
neighbors.
That's the
That
neighbors.
is some damage
The
too.
whole tree
The whole tree came
went
down.
through.
Oh, yep, it went through that roof.
Damn.
Mm-mm-mm.
I see a power line of some type down there across the road. Yeah. See here?
I see them on the power line.
On the power line.
See, it's down.
That other one's a small
Yep.
one.
It's a small line.
It's
but
a small line, but it's still down.
It's
The
still down.
imposed
Watch
lane.
out. It's down here across the road. It's down. Wherever it is, it's down.
Mm-hmm.
A friggin' pole in there twisted down.
Yep. Oh, I hear chainsaws down there. That's what we're probably going to be hearing for the next week.
Oh crap, that line's
right.
down.
Chainsaws. You know, people that do land clearing is going to be out making money
Oh yeah. Definitely.
with their
See,
chainsaws.
they already cut the tree across here.
Yeah, I see it. So it did. One did go down.
One did go down across the road.
Yeah. Ooh, took the fence out too.
A
Yep.
lot of the
Ooh,
fence.
three. Two of them went down. Holy
Gosh almighty.
Oh, it's blocked up here.
No, it ain't.
What do you mean no it ain't?
It ain't blocked up there.
No, they're trying to get rid of the debris up there.
Where we going?
Where are you going?
See marks.
Are we going to get out and go see it?
Oh.
Huh?
It says here, huh?
She's got a generator running.
Oh, the trees are standing.
Yeah. May not be a whole lot of leaves there and
Well.
moss in them, but
Oh, it'll be full.
Oh yeah. I can't believe some people still have like semi-clean yards.
That's what we need to do. We need to start dragging his damn tree limbs that's in our yard to the
Oh.
road.
Down tree.
Making it a family affair there, ain't it?
Yep. Brought the whole family down to clean up.
All right.
Now back out to Lake Hollingsworth.
Let's see, Mark didn't.
Them
Yeah.
two wasn't
I
none
say,
of
you
their damn way.
contributed to this. It's your fault.
Yeah.
I'd be every damn weekend out there cutting that. If it went over my, I'd cut it up all the way to the damn sky.
Yeah, especially if it landed on your roof.
Guitar man know that
Especially if
that's
it
what we
landed
do.
on your roof.
I'm going
Oh,
to tell
shit.
Guitar Man, that's it. We're gonna have someone come out here and we're gonna have it cut.
What he did.
What? Oh,
Dad wasn't gonna stop this shit.
oh, damn.
Oh god, that's so fucking funny.
That is funny.
Oh.
Fucking little tiny plastic netting.
That's what they were getting out of Home Depot and
they were-
Lowe's.
Whatever they could
Seriously?
get their hands on.
That shit don't even work. Why even waste your money?
Down there.
It's better to even just try to have.
That's what Mr. and Mrs. Pound
Trying your
used.
luck.
They used paneling.
Yeah, it was basically paneling. He doubled or tripled up on it. It wasn't going to stop.
Some of that
No.
stuff was plywood they were pulling around.
Yeah, some of it. He had some.
Some.
Those two that they had in their hand was thin shit.
Yeah.
They're not gonna pick up.
Yeah, they will.
Oh.
On a disaster like this,
They have to.
claim.
Yeah, it's government law to do that. If it's a
Anybody
natural
did, if you
disaster.
don't trim it down, they're gonna run and run and run and run. They may end up having to run all hours of the night, picking the stuff up.
Damn brick road. Got my camera shaking all over the place. He's gonna try to look at Craig's
You know who's
place.
down here?
Craig's.
Master's there, and then you got Jeff down here. Master's got generator.
I think everybody near Lake Hollingsworth ain't got no power unless they got a generator.
I said about 70% of the damn county ain't. We're lucky.
Yeah.
Or
Damn
like
well, yeah.
one of the very few grids that didn't get out.
Lucky. I still don't know how we fared out like that.
I don't either.
Well, I was scared we'd lose power.
We're in the suburbs, that's why.
That's
Ain't
already
no hurricane gonna come after us.
Yeah.
Oh,
What do they do? Bug out?
probably so.
He probably has now. They're probably on their way to Gainesville.
Yeah. That lady down the street from him, did she never get back with you on the pool?
No, she hasn't.
Man, up and buy what you gonna spend that much money on or what?
I don't think she's going to. I think she's going to go with the other one
Yeah.
because I got the price up competitive with them.
That's fine. She can go with the other one then.
Yeah. They'll get what
I'm not going to do it for free.
she damn sure ain't gonna get damn quality work, I don't think.
Nope, she won't.
She won't get bad, not from who she's got.
No?
Now it's Bishop, Bill.
Yeah.
I don't know.
I don't think this is gonna be cleaned up by next week. Shit. Where are we supposed to have the challenges then?
Don't know.
Cause like next week I was gonna do an entire
that.
week.
Ouch. Oh, those limbs down.
Yeah.
Off the tree.
That's usually where we stay.
No, we stayed at that one over there, but
True. For true.
go over and look at the. Ooh.
Kids are already over there too.
Really? Oh,
Yeah.
Look at that. Mm. Yep, it's a mess over there at the playground. It's a mess.
Yep. And half of it's flooded.
Yep. Whoa.
Damn.
You can barely see where the road's at. So much debris down.
Yeah.
Oh, hold on. We've got major debris we're going through.
Yep. Love all the sound inducement there.
You don't need to be damaging the truck.
True.
That's why.
Damn.
All it takes is one of those branches coming up and they'll...
So
they'll
this
take
is
it.
Christina Park.
Yes, Christina Park.
This is the one that we usually have all of our challenge videos in.
Yeah.
And now it's kind of just a wreck now.
Yep.
Pretty much. So I'm gonna have to figure out a new place to do it next week. Because next week we got it settled. We're thinking about doing videos for Saturday and Sunday.
Alright, now
So
you
we're
can
gonna have full 6 videos.
turn it off now.